Hello guys, welcome to my channel Flames Adventures. Here you see my adventure motorcycle, a KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, and there you see my KTM spoke wheels for off-road riding. Now when you take a closer look, you can see that there are no brake discs on the wheels. So I always have to transfer the brake disc to the spoke wheels. Well, not anymore. I have two already used brake discs here to install on my front spoke wheel. Before I start to install these motorcycle brake discs, I want you to show my new picture wall. Here I have a picture with the original wheels on a vacation in the Spanish Pyrenees, and here a picture with the spoked wheels in my off-road setup. Okay, back to the brake discs. I also bought some new original KTM parts for the job, like this sensor wheel for the ABS sensor. It's mounted together with the brake disc, so I needed an extra sensor wheel. Also new original 10.9 bolts to mount the brake disc on the wheel. Okay, let's clean. Okay, this is the inside and this is the outside of the brake disc. I put it in position and I start with the right side of the wheel, so the side without the ABS sensor plate. I also need 6 bolts, and the bolts already have some thread lock on them, so I don't need to apply extra Loctite. Okay. First I place the bolts hand tight and always tighten it crosswise. When the bolts are hand tight, I set the torque wrench to 40 Nm to tighten the bolts. And that's the specific torque for the KTM 1290 Super Adventure brake disc bolts. Okay, the first brake disc is installed. Let's turn it over, and to protect the brake disc I place some wooden blocks under the wheel to keep the disc off the ground. Okay, I place the second brake disc in position, and this is the left hand side, so here I also have to install the ABS sensor wheel. There's an edge on the inside of the wheel. This side has to face down. And now I'm gonna place and tighten the remaining 6 bolts the same way like the other disc. Okay, the job is done. This will save me a lot of work and time when I change my wheels to get my KTM Super Adventure in the off-road setup. When I find an already used rear brake disc somewhere, I just have to order 6 bolts and an ABS sensor wheel to do the same for the rear spoke wheel. Anyway, changing the 2 discs on the front wheel took me the most time, so I'm quite happy now. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel and see you in another video.